Looking for residential and commercial shutters in the Northwest? Atlanta Shutter Services is an independent family-run company specializing in installation and repairs with 24-hour emergency call-out available. Choose from roller shutter garage doors including manual to automatic conversion, security grills, anti-ram barriers, security fencing, razor wire, CCTV installation or steel doors. We're CDM Health and Safety approved because your security is important. You can find out more online or call Atlanta Shutter Services. We're guaranteed to answer the phone.